Hello my friend, I'm Steven. Welcome to Rongbang Communication. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use our pneumatic crimping machine, the RBTX-LS300. Here, we'll show two cables per connector type. However, during actual production, you'll crimp hundreds of connectors consecutively. Before crimping, place the ring over the cable component, jacket and aramid, plus the connector parts. This ensures connectors stay fixed after crimping. The machine is air-driven and foot pedal controlled. We've also included a safety guard around the crimping area, ensuring safe operation. Custom crimping dies are available to make this machine compatible with various cables and connectors. If you have questions, comment below. To learn more about our machines, follow us. If you need to purchase this equipment, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm Steven. Thanks for watching.